Hey guys, welcome to Crew TV. We want to show you what a 60,000 legal basement renovation looks like. We're up in the Northeast, we're in Marlborough, and what's hilarious about this property, our client did not want to buy in the Northeast. Now he's completed this project, he's doing the burr on it, and he actually wants to buy his next property in the Northeast, which is hilarious to us. But let's go check out what Dennis has got up to. Okay guys, come on in. As we walk in here, Dennis has completely gutted this property. He's took it back to the studs. When we came in, Tim, do you even remember what was here?
It was just a family room.
Yeah, it was just a family room. It was huge. And what we loved about it, it's a bi-level. So you get the huge windows, you get the high ceilings in this basement. Dennis, actually, when we walked in, I remember buying it. We looked at this post here, it was here, and we had to work with it. So he actually fit the kitchen in here with the laundry room back here. When we first came, you would enter the laundry room all the way up here, and it was just massive storage back there. But he went to the extra extent. Tim, we'll go into the furnace room and have a look at what's going on back here. But he actually came in and put in another furnace right here. He ripped out all of the electrical, put in a new panel. And what I love about Dennis is, yeah, plenty of storage down there. He even put blinds in the furnace room. So that's hilarious to us. But you know what? You're going to get good tenants. You look after them, you give them extra things. It will go a long way. So this property here, Tim's going to fall over. He actually kept a little den here for someone to put a desk in. It is 2-bedroom now plus a den. So when you do that, create that space, you can ask for extra rent. Something like this will rent for around $1,600 per month, plus utilities. You come through, all new flooring, new lights. Dennis told us that he spent a lot of time on the Costco website getting some fixtures, some light fixtures. Even the wiring came from Costco. But once again, when you have a bi-level, you end up getting 2 huge bedrooms. So this is massive. This could actually have a family rent this. I mean, you wouldn't want more than 2 adults and a child. That's what Tim and I would recommend, but you could definitely have either a single parent and their child or a couple living down here. It's basically brand new with the legalization. So Tim, what do you think about Dennis's renovations, and what can you tell people out there that...
These renovations are outstanding considering Dennis did most of it himself. He was telling us he doesn't have a trade. He's actually an engineer, I believe, and he did tons of stuff by himself, and that's phenomenal. Normally, our clients are hiring all this stuff out, so he cut costs everywhere he could by buying, materials on sale.
Yeah, come through while you say that, Tim.
On sale. And doing a lot of the stuff himself. He painted baseboards in. Of course, he didn't do the electrical or plumbing, but he did a lot of this stuff.
Yeah, and Tim, he also mentioned to us he got the appliances. They're still being delivered from Costco, and by buying 1, 2, 3, 4 at the same time, you get $1,000 off. So he actually picked up the appliances for $2,500, and he's had people already applying to rent this property off him. So that is the legalization. What we're going to post is the walkthrough after this video when we bought the property, so you can actually see the transformation. And if you're thinking of legalizing a basement, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We have the right team that actually does many of these legalizations through the city. We have the contractors in place, and we can definitely help you make extra money from your basements.